What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here with another one of these little RC trucks from Exercise and Play off Amazon. This one here is the PX9304E, a newer model. You guys should remember the last truck that I had from Exercise and Play. It was 1/18 scale, just like this one, but this one just has a different body, and the LEDs are installed in the bumper here. It does have little spots in this body cover here for LEDs to be installed there, but they elected to put them in the bumper there. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So check it out. And that's another reason why I brought this thing out at night to run it. And check it out. It also has this little spot here where you can add some LEDs, and it does lay down. So we're gonna keep it folded down to keep it out of the way. I'm really feeling this all black body on it. It did come with a bunch of stickers, but I decided not to put the stickers on because I like it just the way it is, all black. Very rarely do you come across an all black RC vehicle. So again, 1/18 scale. It does come with two batteries here, two LiPo packs. I did do a little mod on the connector there to switch it to XT30, but that's not needed. That doesn't improve the performance or make the performance worse. My personal preference to have this XT30 on here. And so the same transmitter as before. The transmitter has the steering trim, the steering rate, a throttle trim. It has reverses for both throttle and steering, and that's the on and off switch. It is a pistol style grip. Let's get to the good part. Let's run this little guy. So it is a little quick. It is geared towards beginners. This is an entry-level hobby grade vehicle, but it might be a little too fast for your little one. You can tone down the throttle to have it go a little slower. So let me try to turn it down. Okay, the throttle trim can be turned all the way down, and this is as slow as it'll go. Pretty cool little RC. Let's turn it all the way back up. So this is an off-road vehicle, so we're going to take it over here to try to do some off-roading. Oh! Banged out with it. I'm just beating this little guy up. Over here to the Home Depot parking lot. Pick it back up here. Okay, let's run it up on here. Well, this stuff is really loose. Almost got jammed up right there again. This used to be a little rock garden. They got rid of the rocks and got this stuff up in here. Let's see. Can you jump off of this? Yep. So it doesn't seem like it wants to flip over. So that's cool that it doesn't flip over. I was thinking that this was probably going to flip over when I brought it out here. It's got a decent speed too. Check it out. My steering trim needs to be adjusted a little maybe. Let's see if I can get the steering trim just a tad bit. And check out the range. So really nice range on it. I should have brought my ramp out. Next time I'll bring a ramp out for these little trucks. Get some jumping going. Stick it back over here so you guys can see it a little better. I don't know why all the lights for this parking lot aren't on tonight. Pop the wheelie there so you can see it can take a beating. That was kind of fun. Oh, not the crashing part, but that part right there. See if we can make this jump without crashing. Oh, right on the edge. Oh! There's a tree stump right there. Uh-oh. Got hung up on something. See if we can back out of it. So we were able to avoid that pole there. So you guys get the idea. This thing is a fun little basher. The PX Toys 9304E from Exercise and Play off Amazon. Pretty awesome little deal. Comes fully ready to run. Have batteries for this thing too. And 2 packs for this. LiPo packs, 850 milliamp hours. And it comes with LEDs installed. Thanks for watching.